Megastar Shah Rukh Khan welcomed the news of bail for his son, Aryan Khan, arrested earlier this month in connection with the drugs on cruise case, with tears of joy. This was revealed by India's former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi, who represented him in the Bombay High Court. Shah Rukh had given up all his professional activities. He has been very worried the last 3 to 4 days that I was there and I am not even sure whether he had proper meals. He was just having coffee after coffee and he was very worried. And I could see a big sense of relief, on the father's face last time I met him, Mr. Rohatgi told NDTV in an exclusive interview. Twice earlier, Aryan Khan's bail had been rejected and the 23-year-old elder son of Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan has spent 24 days in jail. Shah Rukh and Gauri Khan had not attended the hearings, but after his bail was refused the last time, Mr. Khan went to meet Aryan at Mumbai's Arthur Road Jail on October 21st. Aryan Khan, his friend Arbaz merchant and model Munmun Dhamecha were also granted bail by the Bombay High Court on Thursday evening. Their release can happen only after the High Court's written order on Saturday. In Aryan Khan's case, he would also be able to be with his father on his birthday, that is on November 2nd. Asked how traumatic these 24 days were for his parents, Mr. Rohatgi said, unfortunately, they had lost in the lower court. So it came to the High Court and 1 month has gone by and the parents were very worried. That is why they were taking a very great interest in the case. Shah Rukh Khan had given up all his professional activities and he was very much available at all times. He was in fact making notes to help his legal team, Mr. Rohatgi told NDTV. In Bombay High Court, Mr. Rohatgi had argued that no drugs were found on Aryan Khan and the Anti-Drugs Agency Narcotics Control Bureau had very flimsy reasons for arrest. The NCB's case against him was built entirely on 2-year-old WhatsApp chats that were irrelevant and had nothing to do with the cruise, the former Attorney General argued in the court. Under the circumstances, the arrest he contended was wrong and infringed on Aryan Khan's constitutional rights. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.